Y'all, look at how long it is. That is crazy, but the style itself is cute, and like some parts of me want to keep it long, then I want to cut it, but we gonna see what I do. It looks very cute. It is very cutesy. Okay, now I'm Rick James. I'm Rick James, bitch. You go, Hey y'all, hey, I am back with another Temu hair review. This time we are reviewing Temu's clip-ins. Now this is my first time trying their clip-ins, and as you guys can see, they are very long. I do believe this is the 22-inch curly clip-ins. Let me get you guys a good view. And we are going to be doing something different, y'all. We are going to be doing the crochet method using the clip-ins, so that should be a lot of fun. It's going to be the first time. So these are the clip-ins, and they come with, let's see here. Oh, they come with small pieces like this, and you get 2 of those, I think, and then you get 2 like this size as well. You get 2 of those. Like I said, I think, where's the other one? Yep, we have another one of those. And then we have some longer ones for the back. That's probably gonna go with the nape of my hair. Let me leave that one here so we can put that one on first. And yeah, so we have 2 small ones like this, 2 of the ones about 2.5 inches. And then you have 2 that are this length. So I have 2 sets of these, as y'all can see. So let's go ahead and install them. As y'all can see, they have hair clips. Told y'all this is going to be a very quick and easy process. I can tell y'all right now, these clip-ins are very secure. As you can see, you definitely probably need at least 2, maybe 3 sets of these. Now this is gonna be some really pretty hair. See what I mean? So now we have a little bit of hair in the front, and let's see what the back looks like. We're gonna go ahead and cut us some layers and everything into this hair. See, so that should look a lot fuller and a lot better. 4 of these left, 2 for each side. Okay, so we have those in, and that is what it should look like. Okay, y'all, so after numerous attempts, we have finally got 1/2 of the crochet clip-ins done, and it looks really good, y'all. Like, it covered all of the tracks. So we're about to do the other side. As y'all can see, the tracks right there. So what you do is you open up the crochet needle, you make sure that it's open, and then you make sure that you get, you know, a decent amount of hair. You make sure that it's opened, and then you're going to pull the hair wrap it around it. I gotta look over here too, y'all. But as you can see, you're gonna wrap the hair around, close, pull it through. I don't pull mine because sometimes it nick all the way through with the crochet needle, but pull it all the way through. And when you flip it off to the side, it will look like so. See how you can't, I don't know what that is, might be. But yeah, are done. And this is what it looks like. I feel like it looks really, really good for it to be some clip-in hair from Temu, but obviously this is a lot of hair. Let me step back so y'all can see how much it is. It's a lot. Look at that. Okay, like it is really long in your hair and very, very full, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just take the hair that's up here and clip some layers into frame our face, because this is way too much hair. And cut down some layers, because baby, that's a lot of hair. Oh yes, we're gonna cut a few more layers up in here. Oh yes, girl. Let's see what it looks like with some mousse in it. Let's see if this hair can take mousse to kind of reshape and restyle it, and I think you can. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it this long though, because this is a lot of hair, okay? But I wanted to put mousse on it so I could show you guys, you know, if it would bring the curl form back after, you know, all of the manipulation with the crocheting and everything. And y'all know mousse is really good for curly hair, so it looks very cute. It is very cutesy. Y'all, look at how long it is. That is crazy, but the style itself is cute, and like some parts of me want to keep it long, then I want to cut it, but we gonna see what I... Okay, y'all, so I have decided to cut it because I don't know who they thought Rapunzel was. So let's cut some of this, a lot of it. Probably gonna cut it to like right here. I just feel like that might be a little better, so let's cut that, y'all, because this is ridiculous. Okay, now I'm Rick James. I'm Rick James, bitch. Let me stop. But y'all know it's giving Rick James. Don't play with me. Okay, that's like even. Okay, what that look like in the back? That's much better, okay? So yeah, let me see. Yeah, that's better. Now I could deal with that, yeah. But it is actually really, really cute. So yeah, y'all, this little crochet clip-in curly hairstyle is amazing. I love a good natural curly hairstyle. So I told y'all I'm transitioning from relaxed to natural. So doing a lot of protective styles is very important to me. And this, y'all probably gonna see me in this all the time. And honestly, when I'm done with these clip-ins, honey, I'm not gonna do anything but go on Temu and order some more. So if y'all want these clip-ins as well, I will be sure to leave the link for them down in the description, because girl, look at that. Okay, so guys, I have decided that this is still too much hair for me. So what we're gonna do is cut it into a curly bob. Yeah, now we're talking. Oh, she giving cutie. Yeah, when you are playing with curly hair. Yes, y'all, but I think we can do it like that, or we can kind of like play with it like this to like give a really cute natural curl look. Oh, yes. Now we're talking. Okay, now we are talking this in for a good little minute, honey. I love that I can kind of just like shake it and go. I could style it as y'all can see either way. I could style it with the part to the side. We could either side. You can kind of toss it around, play with it. Oh girl, this is sexy. It is very sexy, and I love that. Like, I love that it is very versatile. Like, that is really good, okay? We love this. I love that it's versatile, but we're probably gonna wear a toss to this side. Get our curls popping. And yeah, that will be the end of this curly hair Temu crocheted clip-in hair extensions. As you guys can see, no leave outs was left, and I absolutely love this style. I love that you can wear the part down the middle. You can flip it over to either side to create just like an invisible part to give yourself, you know, like another style. So yeah, we love that. But let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next hair video. Love y'all. Bye.